everyone, I'm Anjali, one of the co-founders of LashBeePro. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about troubleshooting when a client seems to potentially have an allergy to lash extensions. Now, this can be quite a scary feeling if a client calls you or texts you and lets you know that they have some sort of redness or swelling. So first things first, before you do any appointment, make sure that you have a consent form that protects you in the case of allergies. Now, when you're meeting clients for the first time, do explain there is a potential of an allergy, but it's exceedingly rare. So now you do have a client who understands this, who calls you and lets you know that they have some symptoms. First thing first, listen to them. Where are they experiencing symptoms? How is it manifesting? How severe is it? Now, if someone says that it's quite severe, their eyes swollen shut, for example, you want to let them know immediately to take a Benadryl or an antihistamine to minimize the reaction and swelling and go see a medical professional. Now, let's say that it is really a light kind of redness or a bit of swelling. Again, you want to figure out where it is. Now, if it's directly under the eye, potentially it is the iPad that is causing this. So in that case, you want to give them an iPad, have them do a patch test, put it on the inside of their wrist, and wait 48 hours, and see if they have any reaction from that. Most often, though, the reaction is to cyanoacrylate, the base ingredient of lash extension adhesives. Now, some people try and get sensitive or clear adhesives because they think that that'll help. But if someone is fundamentally allergic to the cyanoacrylate, there is no waterproof adhesive that does not have that ingredient. That being said, there are things that you can do. So first, before they come to their appointment, ask them to take a Benadryl or an antihistamine. Now, if you really want them to fall asleep, they can take a regular one, although I recommend a non-drowsy one, especially if they're driving to their appointment. The second thing that you can do is make sure that there is great ventilation all throughout your studio space. So you want to make sure that there are fans, perhaps windows if you can control humidity, just to make sure that the air is going so the fumes don't rest around their eyes. Nanomist throughout the appointment. So take a nanomister a few feet away every 15 minutes. You want that light moisture to cure the cyanoacrylate. This keeps it from having more reaction and also make sure that the lash extensions last longer. Actually wash their lashes fully with a lash shampoo after the appointment is done. Now, a lot of you are probably saying, what? I tell everyone to wait 24 to 48 hours, not get the lashes wet. Well, if you are nanomisting throughout the appointment, you should be good to go because that light moisture has cured the adhesives. And by washing, you're taking away all the irritants of the actual cyanoacrylate. So basically what you want to do is listen to the client, see how severe it is. If it's severe, go to a medical professional. If not, you can try some of these troubleshooting tactics to still have them as a lash client. Thank you so much for listening. We love to make great content like this. So if you have any questions, definitely DM us on Instagram, email us at hi@lashbeepro.com, or comment on any of our videos.